How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your SteelSeries Alias microphone. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the SteelSeries GG application, which will then look something like this. In here, you just want to navigate through your sonar and then make sure that everything is set up properly. Now, in my case, I have set up my microphone already. Then you want to navigate through your microphone, and from here, you can select different presets, but in our case, of course, we are going to adjust it on our own. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to basically just record yourself to actually make or test this on our microphone. Now, you want to click on the record option. Hello, this is a test of the live gaming environment. Let's click on the stop recording, and then you want to click on the play button, which will actually play the recording on a loop.
Hello, this is a
Now,
chat.
basically, while it's playing, it will allow us to adjust it accordingly depending on the style that we want. Now, this will just take a short time.
Of the
Just go ahead
live
and
gaming environment.
tweak this setting until you have found the settings that you have preferred. Of course, we have different voices out there, so there's different sub bass, low mids, mid range, and more.
Hello, this is a test of the live gaming environment. Hello, this is a
Now, after adjusting your microphone the way you want to, or your equalizer the way you want to, you just want to navigate through the Clearcast AI noise reduction and make sure that this is turned on. In my case, I want to set it in the middle, but of course you can tweak this to whatever you want to. And lastly, for the noise gate, you can actually turn this on, but in my case, I'm fine with the Clearcast AI noise cancellation. So that's going to be the best settings for our Asus, or I mean our SteelSeries Alias microphone. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.